Welcome, teachers and students. So this is the KMS prize drawing. This is the first of 2 prize drawings that we're going to do. We'll do one more towards the end of the school year. And I don't know what kind of prizes we're going to have, but we're starting off a little bit small. But still, you know, if you win, it's a nice thing. Okay. The MTSS2 committee is tasked with promoting positive student behaviors, and so that's this drawing is part of that. If you had the KMS tag, you were able to take one of the any number of tags. You could get it punched, and you could get an extra entry blank into our drawing. In January, we'll also have another tag redemption where you can get you can redeem your tags for some prizes. Okay. All right. Now, everyone was chosen at random, but I have to tell you guys that you've been exhibiting excellent respect, responsibility, and resilience, and your behavior in the auditorium is exemplary. So give yourselves a hand.
Afternoon, students. Hello. Thank you. I like how you have good co-and-co spirit. So today you're here because you guys did awesome, and to recognize that you all had a chance to get an award. All of your name were submitted into the drawing, and so some of you were lucky, and that's what Mr. John Chung was explaining to you earlier, right? And so that is why you're here, so because all of you are awesome, but we want to give some awards too, okay? So cheer on your fellow students or your class when they come up, you know, show a lot of co spirit, okay? So thank you and keep up the good work and being awesome. Our wonderful Miss Kodama is gonna read the names first, okay? And when you come up, Mr. Choi and Mr. Lee will be taking your videos and pictures, so thank you, okay? Sounds good?
Are you ready for lucky winner number 1?
Yes.
Alright, well, lucky winner number 1 is Zhijie Hu from Miss Shaw's class. Lucky winner number 2 is Kaitlyn Inouye from Mr. Larway's class. Lucky winner number 3 is Kyle Wu from Mr. Chung's class. Grado. Lucky winner number 5 is Micah Asuega from Mr. Lieu. from Miss Budon's class. Lucky winner number 7 is Kaitlyn Lieu from Mr. Hankins' class. Lucky winner number 8 is Chloe Matsuoka from Mr. Monk's class. Lucky winner number 9 is Zayden Monterde from Miss K's class. Final winner number 10 is Jeanine Rupisan from Miss Bianca's class.
Let's hear it one more time for our winners. Let's give them a hand. All of your entry blanks are going to be dumped. And at the next drawing, you'll start fresh again. So everyone will get another chance at winning. So if some of these people win again, they're just lucky, okay? If you have the tags, save your tags, and you can redeem them for the treats, but you can also redeem them for another entry blank in the final drawing at the end of the year, okay? Now, you just got 2 more days before you start your winter break, so let's make it a good 2 days. Keep it positive. That concludes the award ceremony. Thank you very much for attending, and thank you very much for your behavior, Ms. Davis.